In the tense silence of the India-Pakistan border, one brave soldier stands guard, Sheru, the fearless cat commander. Sheru hears a distant explosion. Alarms blare, troops scramble. Commander, radio. Sheru! Terrorists spotted near Sector 7. Hold the line! Sheru roger that. It's time to send them running. Terrorists with masked faces charging, firing AK-47. Sheru dodges bullets, turns fire with his rifle. Explosions around. Sheru throws a grenade into a bunker. Boom! Enemy flies. He calls in air support. Sheru. Missile coordinates locked. Fire. Missiles rain from the sky, striking enemy hideouts. Sheru faces the enemy leader, a heavily armed boss terrorist. Epic hand-to-hand combat. Then Sheru disarms him with a clever tail whip move and knocks him out. Sheru, no one messes with my country. Sheru didn't just fight, he won a war. For peace, for pride, for India. Salute to our real heroes who kept us safe during War Jai Hind.